Amber Portwood wanted to have a joint therapy session with daughter Leah, but her ex, Gary Shirley, didn't think it was necessary. Amber Portwood broke down in tears during the September 14th episode of Teen Mom OG, as she reflected on her non-existent relationship with daughter Leah. Amber's been seeing a therapist, and she thought it'd be a good idea to do some joint sessions with Leah in hopes of repairing their relationship, but ex Gary Shirley didn't think it was necessary. Instead, he told his wife, Kristina Shirley, that Amber just needs to do the work she needs to do to be a better mom for Leah. Amber couldn't understand why Gary saw therapy as a bad thing, and she cried while speaking to her therapist in the final few minutes of this week's episode. But once she composed herself, she said she'll just keep working on herself and praying that Leah wants to reunite with her one day soon. After all, Amber said that if she didn't make the decisions she made over the years, like accepting a plea deal and going to prison, she wouldn't be alive today. Meanwhile, Baltierra expressed interest in trying ketamine therapy to help with his bipolar disorder. Caitlin Lowe, who is still pregnant with her fourth child on the show, was hesitant about the new therapy, but she knows Tyler deals with anger issues stemming from his family's history and drama, so she wants him to do what he thinks is necessary to feel better. Tyler said natural medicine doesn't work for him and he doesn't want to be taking pills for the rest of his life, so he's exploring any and all options that are available to him. Later, Maci Bookout received a text from Ryan Edwards' wife, Mackenzie. Mackenzie wanted to meet up with Maci and try to put an end to all the drama between Maci and the Edwards family. However, after Maci received Mackenzie's invite to lunch, she decided not to answer the text message. And she later told husband Taylor McKinney that she has had enough of their drama, so she decided not to communicate with Ryan's family anymore. Especially because Ryan hadn't been going to therapy like Bentley had requested. And following last week's episode, Cheyenne Floyd apologized to Zach Davis for blowing up on him after her ultrasound appointment. This week, her target was ex-boyfriend Corey Wharton, who said he wouldn't be able to help more with their daughter Ryder because of some upcoming birthday plans. He wanted to celebrate his 30th birthday in New York City in the midst of some other work obligations, so it sounded like a lot to Cheyenne initially. But fortunately, after she kicked him out of her house during that argument, they ended up compromising on how much time he'd be away so he can help Cheyenne take care of Ryder during her third trimester. Related gallery. Teen Mom 2, pics. Finally, Mackenzie McKee and her family celebrated her later mother's birthday. Want more drama? New episodes of Teen Mom OG air Tuesdays at 8 p.m. on MTV.